name is Megan, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about why eating healthy when you're in college is important. Okay, so if you have a nice car, then you only put good fuel in it, so why not do the same for your body? Eating healthy while being a full-time college student is hard, but it's doable. I chose to speak about this topic because I'm in college and I know firsthand how hard it is to eat healthy while being busy and broke. I also have experience in this topic since this is my 4th year in college and I'm also taking a class in nutrition. First, I'm going to talk to you about the Freshman 15 and the busy lives of college students. Second, I'm going to discuss facts on nutrition, on good foods and bad foods. Third, I'll explain how eating healthy is very important while being in college. So, now I'm going to begin by talking about the Freshman 15 and why students tend to gain weight. Freshman 15 is a commonly used expression in the US to basically say, if you go to college, you're going to gain weight. But studies have shown and have been conducted that the freshman college students gain on average 3 to 10 pounds their first year. But why is this freshman 15 commonly used in the US? Well, according to the CDC, 40% of American adults are obese and 20% of adolescents are obese. So basically, America has an unhealthy eating problem. College is supposed to be the best times of our lives, but it's also one of the most stressful. Hence why students gain weight. They tend to stress eat. Trying to maintain good grades in every class, exercising, socializing, eating healthy, and studying is a lot to handle. It's very stressful your first year in college. You're away from your friends, your family, and you have all this newfound freedom to do and eat whatever you want. Now that you've got a better understanding of college life, I'm going to discuss the good foods and the bad foods. Everyone has a simple understanding of what good foods are and bad foods, but not everyone understands what foods they should eat to properly fuel their bodies. Research has been done on foods that'll actually help us stay more focused, have better memory, and in all, fuel our brain. And this is very important being a college student. Your brain runs on glucose. It needs it in order to function properly. Best foods to eat to help your brain function better are eggs. They contain proteins that help with memory. Another one is salmon. The omega-3 fatty acids in them have been shown to boost brain development. Another food are berries. The high amount of antioxidants have been shown to boost short-term memory. And lastly, oats. They're filled with fiber that actually help your brain stay more focused. Now that we learned about what foods can help the brain, I'm going to talk about the foods that can hurt your brain. Fast foods. Seems obvious. But when you're a busy student always on the go, it's the easiest and the cheapest thing to eat. Fast foods contain high levels of everything: sodium, sugar, and trans fat. Studies have shown that eating fast food regularly puts people at a higher risk at developing depression. And that's not something a college student needs to worry about in college, their first year. Processed, fried, and baked foods are another culprit that are literally decaying our brains. They all contain high levels of hydrogenated oils, also known as trans fats. These oils release a peptide that has been linked to Alzheimer's disease, and other studies were shown that it lowers thinking ability and it'll literally shrink your brain later on in life. Freshman college students struggle the most with their eating habits and don't fully understand why eating healthy is so important. Knowing the right foods to eat in college will not only keep the freshman 15 off, but will help them develop healthy eating habits for the rest of their lives. College is the beginning of the rest of our lives, so healthy eating habits are very important to learn. Eating healthy now trains our body and our minds for the future. Fueling your body correctly is a crucial way to get through college. Giving your body the foods that help us focus more, stay alert, and aids with memory is an easy way to help pass college. Okay, so let's review. Going to college is hard. Worrying about classes and gaining the freshman 15 are two things among the many we stress over. But knowing what foods will help you will also help you struggle less in college. Learning what to eat and what foods actually do to your body will help you develop healthy eating habits later on in life. It's important to maintain a healthy diet while going to college in order to keep your body, brain, and mind healthy. So always remember, if you put good fuel in your car, you should do the same for your body.